Are you a designer using Adobe Illustrator? Struggling to find the perfect gradient for your project? Say hello to Gradient's Kit, Adobe Illustrator extension, your shortcut to stunning visuals. With over 147 professionally crafted gradients, this kit helps you design faster, smarter, and more beautifully. Whether you're working on logo design, branding, posters, social media graphics, or UI/UX projects, you'll find exactly what you need. Just one click and the gradient is applied. It's really that easy. No complex setup. Just install with the ZXP installer, and you're ready to go. Everything works seamlessly inside Adobe Illustrator. Save time, boost creativity, and make your work stand out. Download the Gradients Kit today and transform your workflow. Available now on Pixel Studio. Link in the description. Create bold designs effortlessly.